Review. What is Tibet Ornato about? Tibet Ornato is the world's first 3-click short video creator software that produces viral videos quickly and drives massive traffic to your websites, blogs, and offers with the help of YouTube Shorts. All it takes is just 3 simple steps to create attention-grabbing shorts. Step 1. Find and use other people's viral videos or add your own short script. Step 2. With one-click AI, turn it into an attention-grabbing, highly engaging and profitable YouTube short video. Step 3. Upload your video, and start getting real traffic and sales instantly. Using this powerful software, you don't need to show your face in front of the camera, record your own voice as well as use other expensive equipment. Simply create viral videos with Tibet Ornato and start reaching millions of audiences on YouTube. So if you are interested, keep reading to discover the features and how it works in my Tibet Ornato review. Click the link in the description below to order the product from the official. Instead, they are watching short, snackable videos on social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. And YouTube Shorts is the best way to take advantage of this latest trend. YouTube Shorts are short, vertical videos up to 5-60 seconds that people can watch on the YouTube app. What are the main features? YouTube Shorts is the fastest growing platform than Snapchat, Instagram, and even Facebook. It's the future of online video, and if you're not on this platform, you're missing out big time. Now you can create 100 seconds of these shorts and start driving massive amounts of traffic and sales in minutes to your affiliate offers, CPA offers, e-com products, or your own products and services. With Tibet Ornato, you can generate unlimited free traffic with just a few videos, a few minutes of your time, and a few dollars to invest in the setup. WHO is IT perfect for. You don't even need a website, blog, or offer to start getting traffic and making money with YouTube Shorts. You can start right today in the next 10 min, without any skills, experience, or budget. This is the easiest and fastest way I know to get traffic in 2022 and beyond. Tibet Ornato is the perfect choice for affiliate marketers, YouTube content creators, make money online bloggers and podcasters, business owners who want more leads and customers, founders, CEOs, CMOs, founders, e-com and Shopify store owners, social media marketers, coaches, mentors, or gurus, and anyone else who wants free, stress-free, and easy traffic. Description below to order the product from the official website, and after that just send me the screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram. The link is below. Then I will send you the bonuses, free video courses and book courses on how to make money online.